So this is CC Top Water. I'm Zach.
And I'm Zach.
We're going to the bay today, fishing off a pier, beach, something like that.
We don't know exactly what we're going to catch, if we catch anything at all, but the game plan for today is sheep's head and redfish.
And whatever bites.
Except catfish.
Well,
nobody wants those.
They gotta get a bite. I don't care.
The bite's fun, but they're useless.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna try to catch some fish and have some fun, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it.
Bob Sykes Bridge in Pensacola, Florida.
Alright, and we're gonna try to catch some sheep's head, redfish, whatever. I got my frog. I'm gonna cast it out here in the bay, see what happens.
Get a tackle boxes out.
About what I figured, nothing happened. There goes something else. Just fishing with a little head off shrimp. Hopefully we'll catch something. Oh, it's a monster here. Barely hooked. Just barely hooked. Monster croaker. This is what we came for. This is why we do it. Thanks for watching. We're gonna end it here because this is just, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. This is it. Just kidding. All right, now we call this monster, so we're gonna put it on his big bait pole. Hook him right through the eyes.
Alright, is it on flop?
Hook him right through the eyes. Got circle hook, big old weight,
6 ounce?
6 ounce weight. He'll catch something big, hopefully. I'm gonna try to catch some more croakers. So what I did, I just took the head off the shrimp, hooked it on right up top. Maybe we can catch something else. Is mine going? Yeah.
Got him? I mean, it ain't a keeper fish, but it's better than nothing, and it's sort of what we're coming here.
Wait, what's the minimum size of it?
Minimum size on a speckled trout here is 14 inches, and the slot runs from 14 to 22 inches with one over 23.
How many? Oh.
There we go. It's a good day today. It's got to be a speck. What is it?
Croaker number 2. Got him. bait stealers right here. These, they're fun to catch sometimes. They're a pain. That one's probably going on a hook in a little bit.
Alright guys, well, this is actually the smallest redfish I've ever caught. I didn't even know it was a redfish at first, but he is not legal, so sadly he is going to have to go back once I get the hook out of him. But looks like the bite is strong tonight, or this evening going on into the night, so we might have to stay a little bit after dark just to see what's going to happen, but we'll keep you posted. And there he went.
It is a beautiful evening out here. Check this out. That sunset is amazing. And we've caught a few fish. We're having fun. We will see what the night bite is like. So I took a break from filming and caught me a speck. Nice little speck. Hold the light, please. That's a nice little speck. Nowhere near legal size, but fun to catch at least. Got them teeth shining in the mouth. Look at them teeth. A nice little fish. Alright. Alright. We got our Whataburger. And we're about to start fishing again. We left the Bob Sykes fishing bridge because we were catching a lot of croakers and stuff and small fish, but we weren't having any luck with size. So Zach wants to try out this little spot.
And stuff my face.
Yeah, he's stuffing his face right now, but we're gonna try out this spot, see what happens. Never been fishing here, but it's just on the other side of the bridge from the fishing bridge, so we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so I swapped it up. Got me a gold spoon on here. Maybe you can see that gold spoon, weedless, little weedless deal. I just went in and tied it directly onto the braid. It's dark, they can't see the braid. The water's kind of muddy out here tonight. Zach's got his shrimp and whatnot set up. There's a lot of more structure over on this side of the bridge, so we're gonna try to catch something. The thing's got a lot of thump to it. Hopefully that ought to bring in some bigger fish. There's redfish like that gold spoon, and it's kind of flashing over here too in that little bit of light.
Welcome back to ZZ Topwater. We're just finishing up the new fishing spot, and we didn't really have any luck. Broke off once, didn't have any hookups. Just might have been a bad night here. Might not be a good spot. We don't know. Never tried it. Just wanted something different.
And the tide, you know, when the tide's moving, especially out in the bay. I mean, there's a few places in freshwater where the tide moves, but in the bay when the tide's moving, it really helps out the fishing, and it's about 3/4 of the way through with rising, so it's slacking off pretty good, and it's just not moving that much. Fishing really has slacked off, and I mean, we got a couple bites, but we suck at fishing, so. But we're headed back now. It's currently 8:42, and when we left, about 10 minutes before we left to go get some food, the fishing shut off, and we just haven't had any luck since. So, hope you learned something. We caught a few, had some fun. It's always fun fishing.
A bad day fishing is better than a good day at work.
Thank you, Zach.
And y'all, stay tuned. Next weekend, we're going to my Pawpaw's houseboat on the Pensacola River at Lower Bryant Landing. We're going to go after some catfish and some bluegill, possibly some gar, and whatever else bites, possibly some freshwater drums. But stay tuned. We'll see y'all next weekend. Catch you later.
And we have a special surprise for our viewer. Got a little challenge lined up, so maybe we'll get a challenge knocked out, and it'll be a lot of fun to do this challenge we got planned. So, thanks for watching.